Hey loves, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are preparing palaver sauce, kontomire stew, whatever you want to call it. And so I first went to the market to get some of the vegetables, some ingredients. This is the main deal. This is the kontomire or the Spanish leaf or something. So I first chop them into smaller pieces. I add some small onions, allow it to simmer for about 3 minutes. Okay, yeah. So when it's done like this, please, I'm teaching you. If you know you don't know how to prepare this, you're living alone, like you're a gentleman or even a lady and you want to try, okay? So focus on this video. It's gonna help you focus. Yeah, so my Ghanaian people will know this. We call it momone or salted fish. Yeah, let's say salted fish. Yes, I added some small pieces of salted fish. I added my bay leaves, okay, some small powdered pepper. I don't like much pepper, so if in case you like pepper, you can use as much as you want, okay. And I added some onions, some small sliced onions, okay, yeah. So it's there, so the momone get dissolved or something like that, okay, yeah. So after 5 minutes, I'm adding my tomato paste. You can use any tomato paste of your choice, okay? Yeah, so I use this m.a.y.g.l.o.w tomato mix. Yes, so continue watching. I got you guys up. Okay, guys, let me tell you this story, okay? So one day, my first time trying this recipe, one day I visited a friend and she was not around, so I was like, oh, then let me prepare something for myself, maybe. Yeah, so I went to the market and I bought a lot of vegetables like this video that you're watching, okay? So I came into, so immediately my friend enters, the aroma was everywhere. The aroma was everywhere. So if in case you're entering the room or the house, that's the aroma that's going to welcome you, okay? It was smelling so nice, smelling so appetizing. If in case you're hungry, you feel like eating, okay. If you are not even hungry, you feel like eating, okay. So I put okay, so I added some onions in this mixture, okay. So onions, I will stay for about some minutes is hard, but some seconds be. So okay, then you stay. You leave it for it to simmer for about some minutes. Yeah, until then, but make sure you're cooking on low heat, please. Don't go and rush on your high heat to burn this stew. You want the stew to manage the, okay, but still you want it to be tasty, so manage the. So back to the story. When my friend enters and my friend was like, Mayglow, what have you? Then out there, Efya, this house is smelling so nice. Why? What is this? And I was like, oh, I prepared some small stew before yam. If in case you wanted to put rice or something. This girl was like, what? So I taught this girl how we prepare this stew. Every day, this girl was preparing this stew. At times, she will add kontomire. At times, too, she won't add anything. She will just eat it as a gravy like this, okay? So trust me, you try this recipe, you try this stew, you will come back and tell me, m.a.y.g.l.o.w, thank you so much, okay. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, share this recipe, okay, share this video, okay. So I added for about 3 eggs or 4 to this stew. After that, I used some smoked fish, salmons. We call it salmons here in Ghana, but it's smoked fish. Any smoked fish be smoked fish. So whatever you get, it's okay. Don't worry yourself much, okay? Yeah. So I stirred it some small bit. Here's how it's looking, and I'm adding my kontomire or my Spanish leaves or whatever that you want to call it, okay? Yes, I'm stirring it for it to come together with the stew, actually, okay. I don't like it more of the kontomire in, but you can add as much as you want. And I added some small onions. If you're onions type like this, add much of onion you want to add. Okay, it makes the stew taste great and smells so nice too. Okay, so you can add onions to it. Let it simmer for some minutes, then your stew is ready. Okay, so back to the business, back to the story. My friend was making this stew every day. Ahofe Patri, my friend Ahofe was doing this stew every day, every day. She will call me, May, I did this stew with rice. I did this stew with yam. I did this stew with banku. I did this stew with this. I was like, baby girl, why? So here, guys, I cooked mine with yam. Okay. I wanted rice, but I was like, oh, this yam will get spots. So my friend sent me this video. You just listen to this conversation, okay?
People will not see that. This is the only food you know how to prepare.
And I was laughing. I was so happy about them enjoying themselves with this stew. She didn't add the contomiere this time around. But trust me, this stew is everything. Adding contomiere or without, it just top notch. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Kindly check my other videos. See you guys in my